Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the AccuLips Lip-Sync for iClone 7 by using the Character Creator 3.4 avatar. So now, as demo, I will just go to my CC3, use my Character Creator 3.4 to create an avatar and send to the iClone. Send the avatar, send the character to iClone 7. And wait for a while, it is loading. Now the CC 3.4 avatar already in iClone 7. Alright, in order to create the lip sync, the accurate lips, the AccuLips, you have to click here. Make sure you already click and select your avatar. Click here, create script, AccuLips. In order to use the AccuLips, you can choose to record your own voice or use the pre-recorded voice like MP3 files. Alright, so now I'm going to open a WAV file or MP3 file. Before that, I want to have a check. Where is the file location? Now let's have a look. My voice is here. I have the voice script. You can see this is an MP3 file.
Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important.
So now I want to import this into iClone. So in the iClones, sorry, this is CC3. In the iClone 7.9, make sure you selected the avatar and click Create Script. Okay, Create Script and then click AccuLips. Click here to import the voice. It is on my desktop, voice, and this is the MP3 file that I want to import in. So double click and import. Next, click Align. Alright, you can see after you click Align, you can click Apply already. All the AccuLips Lip-Sync already able to apply. You just need to click Apply and wait for a while. Now you can see, you can have a look your avatar. When you click Play,
Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important.
okay, now the AccuLips Lip-Sync is already applied, and now you should be able to see an accurate the lip syncs in your iClone 7 avatar. This is a CC 3.4 avatar.
Contributions to the development of the theory of quantum mechanics. Acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important contributions to the development of the theory.
Now you can see The talking animation is really awesome by applying the lip sync, applying the AccuLips in iClone 7. And that is just a few steps to apply it in iClone 7 about the talking animation with accurate lips and lip sync. And that's all for today about the tutorial on lip sync and AccuLips. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all to activate all the notifications so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.